All right, this question asks about mean and median. So mean is another word for average, and median, my students get mixed up on this one. So median is the thing in the middle when and only when the numbers are lined up in numerical order. If y'all are driving, you know the thing that runs down the middle of the street that has all the trees in it, separating the lanes going one way versus the lanes going the other? That is called the median because it's in the middle. So median is the one in the middle when and only when the numbers are lined up in order. And do you see how these guys, well, I guess they're lined up, they're sort of lined up in order, but traditionally we go smallest to largest. So let's rewrite them smallest to largest. So we have 30, 66, 68, 71, 71, 72, and 76. All right. And it says this 30 was recorded in air, and so they want to know what happens if we remove it. But let's look at it first. So before we remove it, what is the median? Well, we count into the middle, right? So it's just easiest to count into the middle. When 30 is in here, this is the median of that row of numbers. And then the average is whatever, then the mean is going to be whatever it is. I don't want to calculate it quite yet. But what happens if I remove 30? What happens to the mean and the median? So if I take 30 away, then I have 66, 68, 71, 71, 72, and 76. Now let's count in again to the middle. So the easiest thing to do is just to cross off. Oh, look at this. So what that means is it's in the middle of these two numbers. Now, if they happen to be like 70 and 71, then the middle would be 70.5. But they're both 71, so the mean is 71, or excuse me, the median is 71 here. So the median is the same. The median is the same for each of these. So looking at our answer choices, C and D are the only ones that say the median is the same. So we know it's either going to be C or D. But now let's think about the average or the mean. So the mean up here is adding up all these numbers, then dividing by the number of numbers. But if I take 30 out, right, 30 is so low compared to the others. If I take 30 out, the average of these guys is going to increase, right? 60 plus 68 plus 71 plus 71 plus 72 plus 76 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, divided by 6 numbers. That average is going to be higher than the first one where I had to divide by 7 numbers. So the average should increase, or the mean should increase. So the only one that where the median stays the same and the mean increases is choice D. What's the takeaway? When you're asked about median, you must line up the numbers in numerical order, and then you count into the one in the middle. The median is in the one in the middle.